Have a nice day, everyone. Today, we will learn about demonstrative pronouns. What are demonstrative pronouns? The demonstrative pronouns are these, that, these, and those. These pronouns can indicate items in space or time, and they can be either singular or plural. What is demonstrative pronoun? A demonstrative pronoun points out a specific person, place, thing, or idea. These and this refer to things that are nearby. Examples: this is my pencil. This must not continue. These are shoes I wore. Two customers wanted this. That and those refer to things that are farther away in space or time. Examples: that is my pencil. That must not continue. Those are the shoes I wore. Two customers wanted those. This and that are used to refer to singular nouns. Examples: this is a delicious apple. That is a delicious apple. These and those are used to refer to plural nouns. Examples: these are delicious apples. Those are delicious apples. To summarize, the demonstrative pronouns these refers to a thing or persons near you. The demonstrative pronouns that is opposite to this. It refers to a person far from you. The demonstrative pronoun these refer to things or people nearby you. Then, the demonstrative pronoun those refer to things or people far from you. You can also use this, that, these, and those when you are asking who they are. Thank you. I hope you learned something.